Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is me Kate here and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to change SoundCloud password. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. If you have forgotten your SoundCloud password and you are having trouble logging into your SoundCloud account, so this video is for you. Make sure you stick till the end. So to recover your password again, first of all launch the SoundCloud application on your mobile device. After that, you will land on this interface. From here, tap on an option that says I already have an account. From here, type in your email address that you have used while registering on SoundCloud. Once you're done with that, tap on continue. It will again ask you to enter your password. Since we have forgotten our password, onto that continue option, you will get a link that says forgot your password. Tap on that. Here, in order to recover your password, you will get an email from SoundCloud Help Center to reset your password. So enter your email address and then tap on reset my password. With that, you will receive an email with instruction to reset your password. So head back to Gmail on your mobile device and then look for the email. Here on your inbox, you will get an email from SoundCloud account. Open up that. Scroll down a bit. Here you get a link, so tap on click here. That will land you on this interface from where you will be able to change your password. So type in your new password that you want to change. If you want to sign out of every device that you have logged in before, check mark on that option that says also sign me out everywhere. After that, tap on save. And with that, your account has been reset, and now head back to SoundCloud again and then enter your password that you have changed recently. So that's how you can simply recover your password on SoundCloud. I hope this tutorial helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video and hit the notification bell icon for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching till the end. I will see you on next tutorial. Thank you.